Assembling your Eureka Gold metal detector. Armrest. Place the two armrest halves at the top of the upper shaft and align the holes in the shaft with the holes in the armrests. Ensure the holes near the twist lock are facing the opposite direction to the armrest. Push the plastic bolts through the holes and screw on the nuts. Before tightening the nuts, slide the metal stand into the grooves of the armrests. Tighten the nuts to hold the armrest firmly in place. Attach the armrest straps using the buttons on both sides of the armrest. Push the armrest straps through the armrest cover and push the armrest cover over the armrest. Shaft assembly. Insert the two teardrop-shaped rubber washers into the spaces at the bottom of the lower shaft. Ensure that the spring clip is facing towards the rear of the coil and push the lower shaft into the coil bracket until the holes align. Push the plastic bolt through the holes in the bracket, and with the spacer going on first, tighten the nut firmly. Loosen the twist lock on the upper shaft and slide the lower shaft into the upper shaft. Set it at a comfortable length and lock the spring clip into one of the holes. Then tighten the twist lock. Control box. Clip the control box into position below the handle, leaving enough slack to allow the coil to move. Wind the coil cable around the shaft. Plug the coil connector into the control box. Use the Velcro tabs to secure the cable in position at both the coil end and the control box end. Your Eureka Gold is now assembled.